Ever taken a photo at night and it looked fine at first, but later turned out full of noise? And the worst part? It's usually a moment you can't retake. Taking photos in the dark is not easy, and most of the time the result will be noisy. However, that doesn't have to mean that a photo needs to go in the trash. With the right tool, you can remove that noise and enhance the details, and in this video I'll show you how. For those of you that are interested in photography, the way to avoid noise while taking photos is keeping the ISO lower and using a lower shutter speed, even 1-2 seconds, while using a low aperture, ideally with a fast, sensitive lens. That is, if you can't introduce more light to the image. But of course, sometimes there is no other choice but a high ISO and extremely low lighting conditions. That's when a simple fix in post can save your photos. And here's where you can count on the UniConverter's image enhancer AI to clean them up and bring back detail. So grab the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com and then open it. Click on the Image Enhancer AI feature. This AI image enhancer tool supports batch processing, so you can enhance multiple images all at once, saving you a bunch of time. So let's import them. What I need for these is only the noise reduction feature. It's within the clarity and the light enhancement function under the Nano Banana model. These advanced functions can't be combined with any other ones. Then next, I just choose an output folder and click on Export All. Okay, let's look at the results. As you can see, the noise is completely gone, revealing the true quality of these photos and saving the shots that would have otherwise been unusable. So it's that easy to remove noise from photos. One click. Alright, if this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.